Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop Helpdesk module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you to integrate a full-fledged helpdesk system to your shop so that your customers can choose to create a ticket on which you can respond them to enhance their customer shopping experience and quality of the assistance that you provide to your customers when they are stuck while doing anything on your shop. So let's just go to the Prestashop back office to see the configuration settings and the process to create and manage tickets at both customer and the admin side. As you can see that I have already installed this module. This is the configuration settings of the module. It consists of basically 4 parts. We'll see each of the part one by one. So under the general setting, you can choose to customize the view of the form that is being shown to the customer while creating a ticket. So it's basically contains all the options to customize the ticket view or the ticket form that is shown to the customer at the front end. So you can choose to choose a page title background color, then text color of the page title, what will be the type of files that you will allow your customer to attach in a ticket. You can choose that from here. Then whether you will be allowing your visitors, that is those people who are not still yet registered on your shop or not registered customers of your shop, to create a ticket or not. You can enable or disable this option from here. Then next is the section of email. There are various events on which you can allow or restrict to send or receive email to your customer. Let's see what all those instances are. First is confirmation mail to customer when new ticket is created. Whether you want to notify your customer via mail that he has created a ticket or not, enable or disable this option from here. Then whether you will be notifying your agents that a customer has created a new ticket or not. Then whether you will also be notifying your customer whenever the ticket status is updated from the person who was handling that reply of those tickets, and the status is updated to closed and resolved. You will be notifying your customer about the same or not via mail. Then support agents will be receiving any mail or not whenever the customers reply. You can choose that from here. Then next is the section of SEO and URL. Whether you will be activating the ticket SEO URL option or not, you can choose that from here. You can also, on enabling this option, you can customize the address of the new ticket and view reply ticket address, URL address for both from here. Then next is the section of Captcha. Whether you want to add a Google reCAPTCHA to enhance the security settings and security of the ticket or not, you can choose that from here, and it will be shown to the customers on the front end. Now let's just go to the front end of the shop to see how a customer can create a ticket. On the front end of the shop, as you can see, a new option to create a ticket is added. On clicking this option, a form to create a ticket is shown to the customer. A customer can accordingly fill all these details and choose a particular subject line and a message or the query which he wants to send to the admin or shop owner. On the basis of that, the employees of the shop or the shop owner can reply to the customer to solve the query accordingly. Now let's just go back to the Prestashop back office to see other options that are being added after the integration of the module. After the integration of the module, this particular help desk section is added. Let's just see all the tabs one by one. Under all tickets section, an admin can see all the tickets that are being open or either pending, answered, resolved, and see all the tickets based on the various statuses that are being available here. As you can see that I have already created a ticket from the customer's end, so this new ticket is shown here. Admin can choose to reply on this ticket and or assign this ticket to a particular employee of the shop so that he can assist this customer accordingly. In case if he is not assigning this ticket to anyone, then he can reply to the customer by himself or herself from here only. The tickets based on their status, that is pending, answered, resolved, they will be shown in these sections accordingly. An admin can also choose to see the ticket or filter these all tickets in case, let's just say that this section contains more than 1000 or 2000 tickets. Then in case if a customer wants to search any particular ticket and he knows the number of the ticket ID, that is this ticket ID which is being shown here, then he can simply enter that ticket number and search it. Otherwise, he can also choose to filter on the basis of customer or query type, and those all tickets will be shown here out of all the available tickets that are being listed. After that, next is the section of agents. Admin can create agents and assign tickets to those agents so that they can assist the customer's queries or doubts accordingly. In order to create a new agent, an admin will need to create a profile under the team section first. I'll just explain you the process of creating that profile very quickly. Go to the advanced parameters, then to teams, then go to the profile section. I have already created this profile of Helpdesk under which you will assign all these agents. But in case if you wish to see the process or know the process, it's very easy. Click on this add new profile button, just type Helpdesk here and click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, as you can see that this Helpdesk profile is created. Now you will need to give some permission to this profile. Go to the Helpdesk section of here. After that, you will find the module Helpdesk and the sections of this module under this, and you can choose to access permissions to this profile as per your own convenience. But in order to create agents, you will need to give the permission to this agent section here surely. Otherwise, you will not be able to create any agents or employees for the handling of tickets. Now let's just go back again to the agent section. After creating that profile, you can simply click on this add new agent button. You will be able to choose any employee from this drop down menu that are available to be assigned as agents. You can also choose an access right for those agents from here. These agents will be responsible to reply to the customer's queries and handle those queries to increase the customer satisfaction level. After that, you can create ticket groups as per the convenience and to classify tickets into multiple groups so that they can be assigned to the agents to increase or fasten the process. In order to add a group, click on this button, enter the name of the group, then choose the agents to which this group will be accessible, and only those agents will be responsible to handle the tickets of this particular group. After that, next is ticket status mapping. You can choose to map the ticket status by clicking on the edit button. As you can see that the status of each of the options is already mapped, but in case if you wish to map this open status with pending, then you can choose that here. Let's say if any ticket is in the open state, then it will be also shown in the pending state as it is mapped with the pending status. So ticket status mapping will help you to classify all the tickets that are in which state. That is whether they are in open stage, answered stage, pending stage, and you will be able to view and reply on them accordingly. Then after that, you can also go to the query type section. That is the last section which is under the help desk. Under this, you can choose to add a new query type, although two query types are already added here. That is support and pre-sale query. These query type is available to the customer end while creating a new ticket. Here, as you can see, in case if you want to add more query types, you can simply enter the name of the query type and you can choose the group for this particular query type. So let's say if a customer chooses the query type as, let's say, support, and if you have selected the group for the support tickets under the support only, then the agents assigned to this particular group will be responsible for handling that particular ticket. So it will be much easier to assign and manage the tickets on the basis of this group and the query type. So this was all about the Prestashop Helpdesk module. In this module, you will get all features to integrate a full-fledged ticket system on your shop so that your customers can generate query ticket or the doubt ticket or any problem which they are facing on the shop, so that you can reply and assist your customers accordingly and serve your customers in the better way. So this was all about the Prestashop Helpdesk module and the process to configure and manage the module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.